Students, this session will continue with the further classification of amino acids. So we'll start with polar uncharged amino acids. So polar, which will be interacting with water molecule, and it is uncharged amino acids. So polar uncharged amino acid, which includes serine, cysteine, threonine, tyrosine, asparagine, and glutamine. Once again, I'll repeat polar uncharged amino acids: serine, cysteine, threonine, tyrosine, asparagine, and glutamine. So we'll see the general R group structure for these amino acids. So serine will have OH group, we call it as hydroxyl amino acid So you can see NH2 is common, COOH is common, H is also common. Already in the previous class we have studied amino group, acid group, and H, all three are common. So here the R group is CH2OH for serine. And the same way for cysteine, this is also one of the sulfur-containing amino acid. So only two sulfur-containing amino acids are existing. One is methionine, the other one is cysteine. So you can see CH2SH is present. So that is for cysteine. So apart from that, the other polar uncharged amino acids which include asparagine, glutamine, threonine, and tyrosine. So asparagine, if you see CH2, C double bond O NH2. So this is the R group for asparagine. So this amino acid asparagine has R group of CH2, C double bond O NH2. Whereas in case of your glutamine, it is CH2, CH2, C double bond O NH. So asparagine and glutamine both are almost similar, only one small difference is here CH2 is only once and here CH2 is twice. So here it is CH2, C double bond O NH2, whereas here CH2, CH2, C double bond O NH2. So only that difference is there between asparagine and glutamine. Whereas in case of your threonine and tyrosine, threonine has CHOH followed by CH3. So CHOH, CH3. The rest all will be same. Amino group, acid group, and H. And here also, in case of your tyrosine, amino group, acid group, H, all three are same. Whereas the R group is CH2 with a benzene ring and OH. CH2, benzene ring, and OH will be the structure of tyrosine. So you can remember the simpler ones whose R group is what, like that you can practice and you can remember. And the next two major classification, already we saw non-polar and polar uncharged amino acids. The next two important classifications are acidic amino acids, basic amino acids. Already we saw in the amino acid itself, the general structure itself, we have acid group and amino group. Apart from that, you have one more acid group, that is why you call it as acidic amino acids. So two acidic amino acids are aspartic acid and glutamic acid. At least you have to remember the name of those acidic amino acids. So the two amino acids in this group which are aspartic acid and glutamic acid. So you can see amino group, acid group, H, all three groups are same. Whereas here it is CH2, COOH will be aspartic acid. So COOH will be aspartic acid. So this aspartic acid has one more extra COOH group. In case of glutamic acid also, we have one more COOH group extra. The only difference is in the R of aspartic acid, only one CH2 group and one acid is there. Whereas here it is CH2, one acid is there, COOH. So same COOH, they have written as C double bond OH. So it is CH2, COOH. Here in case of glutamic acid, CH2, COOH. So only that difference will be there. So acidic amino acid will have acid group in its R chain also. Whereas in case of basic amino acid, you have a base in the R chain. So we'll see the three basic amino acids which includes arginine, histidine, and lysine. Arginine, histidine, and lysine. So these three are the basic amino acids. So now if you see in case of your lysine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 CH2 followed by one amino NH2 group. This is a basic. So this will be the R group of your lysine. And in case of your arginine, CH2, 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 3 times CH2 and NH, then C double bond NH and NH2. So R group of arginine also will be your like aliphatic section. And you have histidine. In the histidine, you have a ring structure. So you have, it is not benzene ring, it is 5-membered ring structure, which is histidine. So CH2, a 5-membered ring structure in which nitrogen atom is also present. That structure you call as histidine. So you can remember acidic amino acid which includes aspartic acid and glutamic acid. Basic amino acid in the sense it includes arginine, histidine, and lysine. So with this, we are completing the structure and classification of amino acids. Thank you.